Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today we have another candle spotlight video, and that's the segment on my channel where we uncover candle brands that are not Bath & Body Works. And today's candle brand is going to be Hidden Label, and that's what that looks like right there. I think they're primarily available on Amazon in the US, so I think it comes with free shipping. Like for instance, this was only like I think $28.99 for the box, which comes with a 3-wick candle and 2 sample candles. But as a heads up, I did receive this candle for free for review purposes. I do not have an affiliate code, nor am I being paid to make the video or compensated any way to make the video, so just a heads up on that. I did get the candle for free. But now that's out of the way, I think what sets Hidden Label apart from other candle brands is that they have a lot of like different variety of candle styles. So there's like a Vivid collection, which comes in like really juicy, fun, like colorful jars. There's like a Mountain Life collection, a Nature collection, just a whole variety of collections, kind of like DW Home does, but I think it's maybe even like one notch above it in the sense that you get like juicy like boxes and packaging like this. I believe it says designed in Australia and made in China, so I'm assuming like the aesthetics and the packaging and the visuals are made in Australia, like the actual product itself, but then it's actually poured and assembled in China. The one downside about the brand seems like their English isn't like super up to par. Some of it's kind of incoherent. Like you go through the Amazon website and it's kind of like hard to navigate was the very first thing I noticed, because it's not like an actual true website. It's like an Amazon shop. But then you read the stuff and it's just kind of like this flowery like text that doesn't really make any sense. So I was trying to figure out like what does Hidden Label stand for, but I really just couldn't figure it out. I think it's something along the lines of like the label is hidden on the candle, so you can put your own meaning on the candle. Like what does that even mean? I don't even know. But like there's some candles that do have labels on them, so that doesn't make sense either. Just kind of weird, but I think that's just, I don't know if like the copywriters are out of China, so maybe English isn't the first language, but some of it's kind of incoherent, and even the correspondence with the brand wasn't like super clear. So I don't know, that was just the one thing that I noticed. I feel like maybe they could improve if they had like actual skilled copywriters, and they could like choose a marketing position and actually kind of like explain what Hidden Label means. Just kind of hard to tell what's going on there based on the text and the copy that was going on. But that was like the main qualm of trying to figure out what was going on here. But yes, I think the main thing is that they have different candle collections that have different like aesthetics and moods and styles to them, and it's like quite reasonably priced for what you're getting. So that's the big like I guess selling point for Hidden Label. Now that's all out of the way, let's get right into it. So yes, I received one that was in the Lava collection right here, and that's what that looks like. And I believe there's 3 fragrances in this one. It comes with like this like band here, and then it comes with even like a sleeve here, and then it has this box right here, like pretty fancy for $28.99 with free shipping on Amazon. You know, I'm just like, I wish I could design candles and packaging like this and sell them for $28.99, and that still be a viable business option, like that you still get enough profit out of it. I'm like, oh my gosh, I wish I had the resources and like, you know, like business setup to be able to pass on candles for that low of a price and also still provide all of this, but you know. So yes, and then it opens up like into a box like this. It has like a foam pad here, and then you can see it has 3 candles in there, and it has this massive juicy like lava ceramic one that looks like this. I guess it's supposed to look like lava stone or something, and then it comes with 2 smaller like sample candles that are like also part of the collection that you can get for full size if you opt to. Let's see. So we have the first one, which is a 1.3 ounce travel tin candle in Thai lemongrass, and that's what that looks like right there. As you can see, I didn't burn these just because they're so small. I would probably just try to take this out and melt it somehow. But this is a very standard lemongrass fragrance. It has that kind of like, if you smell lemongrass, it just literally smells like lemongrass, which is like a green lemon fragrance. It's like a very zesty sugar, almost like a sugary like lemon jelly bean mixed with an earthy green plant component to it. And that's what the Thai lemongrass one was. And the other one was mango guava right here, and that's what that looks like right there. And that's what that looks like. Very fruity, juicy mango guava fragrance, very tropical fruit. Pretty straightforward, kind of smells like bubble gum. So that's that one. And then the one we do have, I believe, is it called Vanilla Caramel? Yes, Vanilla Caramel right there. I was just like, ooh, girl, give me a strong gourmand. So that's what we did there. It's sweet and buttery salted caramels balanced perfectly with rich creamy vanilla, chopped nuts, coconut, and tonka bean. So I've burned this one many times. I think the stated time on it is 28 hours, which it does burn quite fast actually. So I do believe the 28-hour burn time. And that's what that looks like. I believe it must be like partly soy because there has like a marbling or like that sort of rough finish that a lot of soy candles have. And this one is 13.6 ounces in 3 wicks. And this one was actually so strong. The performance like probably blew me away out of all 3 candle brands I've done in terms of strength. I was like, wow, this is actually very, very strong. And so I did love that. It is like a vanilla caramel fragrance, but it's different from your usual BBW, like ooey gooey sweet caramel. It's a little bit different. It's a little bit more nutty, mixed with like a caramel syrup smell to it. But then the most heaviest and prominent note in this is by far the vanilla extract fragrance. And it smells just like vanilla extract, in the sense that it has a slightly like nail polishy type of feel to it, or like a slight, I don't want to say chemical, but some type of like syrupy, like vanilla extract type of feel to the vanilla that is different from any other vanilla I've smelled from BBW, that it's not your usual generic vanilla. It's more like a heavy vanilla extract mixed with nuts and caramel. And that's kind of what it smells like, but mostly a vanilla extract fragrance, which is kind of neat or interesting because I've never smelled that before. But if you know what I'm talking about, there's like almost like a pungent quality to vanilla extract that this kind of captures, that has like a slight like nail polishy kind of feel to it, which was a little weird at first, to be honest, but it actually kind of grew on me because it was just sort of like, oh, let me just burn my vanilla extract candle today. And that's what happened here. Perfect clean burn. I couldn't believe it. I was like, once again, for $28.99 you get all of this and it actually like performs this well. I'm like, I wish I could make candles like this myself and like market them out there on the world. No sooting, nothing like that. Like even pull in no time. I was actually quite blown away by how strong and like just great burning this was. It just like goes side to side, no like falling wicks, no drowning wicks, no overly sooty wicks, doesn't burn too hot. It was just simply great. It was kind of like those 3-wick Yankee candles that we had that are like the wider ones, kind of like that, but even burns faster and way stronger than that too. So in here, I had it burning like in this room, and then my bedroom is on the other side of the house, and I had a Homeworks candle going in the bedroom, and I had the vanilla caramel going over here, and all I could smell in the bedroom was the vanilla caramel coming all the way from the living room, and I couldn't smell my Homeworks candle at all. So I was like, wow, this one's actually quite strong. So yeah, we're good to go on the performance here. I would say at least a good 8.5, and then probably even up to like a 9 if you put it in the bedroom. So yeah, crazy performance, clean burn, no sooting. I just really have no qualms about this. I'm actually kind of shocked at how well like a candle from Amazon, you know, burned just as well as this. So like nothing but good things to say about it. Like if this is your type of aesthetic, then yeah, go for it. Has a wood lid on it. I mean, I personally like, I appreciate the box and the packaging and all that kind of stuff, and I have a like artistic appreciation for it, but like, you know, I like my BBW like, you know, square labels and that kind of stuff with colored wax. So this isn't like totally my aesthetic, but if it is your aesthetic, just great performance. So I actually have nothing but good things to say about it. I was actually kind of shocked at how well it was. And the fact that you get all this like juicy packaging in it. And it comes with like 2 cards here, so that kind of like explains, like they really like done up the design on this. So like there's like a card explaining the Lava collection, but then see like this is the Vivid collection or whatever, and that's what that looks like. And it has the different fragrances on there as well, because then it's like a cross-sell type of thing. So yeah, overall, yeah, like totally good. Like I wouldn't hesitate to recommend this to anyone based on at least how this one performed. Obviously every candle performs differently, or like there's always like variations in the way fragrance oils go and everything, but based on like how this one performed, it was actually quite strong, stronger than my Homeworks candles, and like no sooting and just perfect burn. And it was, I guess it's really only a 28-hour burn time because it does burn quite fast, and it is 13.6 ounces. But if you're looking for a vanilla extract fragrance with a strong throw in a like marble ceramic looking jar, then Hidden Label is for you. And I think that's pretty much it. So pros for the brand, obviously performance and price. Like wow, you get all of this for $28.99. Obviously I didn't pay for it, so there could be a little bit of like, you know, bias there. I'm just putting it out there because obviously when you receive a product for free, it's different from actually paying it from your pocket. But still, to spend $28.99 on this, you get all the box, you get the 2 samples as well, and a like flawlessly burning candle that, you know, smells strong, then like we're good to go there. So pros there, obviously the aesthetics and everything, the variety of, I haven't haven't tried the other fragrances, so I can't vouch for the performance on them, but obviously another pro is the design, the aesthetics, and like the variety of different styles that they have out there. So we're good to go there. As for the con, it would just be the main thing of the navigation of the Amazon site is kind of wonky. It's an Amazon site, so it's kind of like hard to navigate stuff. It's not like a traditional website. And the English is kind of lacking, or the marketing or positioning is just kind of vague and incoherent that I really don't know what like Hidden Label stands for, and I don't like all the flowery text and stuff. It just kind of doesn't really like translate anything to anything that's actually sellable or marketable in my eyes. So that was the major con there. And I think that's pretty much it for Hidden Label. So thank you for Hidden Label for sending this candle out. Actually pleasantly surprised by the performance and the packaging and all that kind of stuff. I actually kind of look forward to like just like finishing this one up and just enjoying it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know in your comments down below if you've ever heard of Hidden Label. I know I have not. Leave it in the comments down below. Check out the Amazon site if you want to. Once again, I have no kind of affiliate code or any kind of incentive to sell these candles, but just, you know, if you're interested, then check them out on Amazon. Just type in Hidden Label and I think you should be able to get there. And I think that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.